Create a new design. My design is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select Apps. Search for TypeExtrude. Type your text and pick a font. I make the border width 5. And I increase the length to 900. You can adjust the colors. Select Add to Design. You can now resize and move the text. Select Duplicate if you want to add more text. Adjust the text. And change the color. Select Update Element. And move the text. Select everything to resize and move the entire text. Click on the background and select the color picker. Pick a color. Or use one of these colors. And that's how you create this long text.